First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 53 daily score booster questions, starting with the simplifications. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Let's get started. The first question is 288.32 plus 181 plus 68. The 68 and plus 32 will be get to 1. So 2 plus 8 0, and this will be 9 plus 8 17, 4 470 minus 420, we get 50. 50 into 5, which will be 250. So answer is 250. Option D is our answer. Next, second question. Here we have this is a 20 into 32, 640. 640 comes this side with minus 1369 minus 640, 9 to 7, 729 is equals to x cube. So 729 is 9 cube. So option C is our answer. Next, third one. Here this will be 4 plus 1, 5, 5 square 25, plus this will be 15 plus 15, 30, 30 square 900. Both are sum means 925. 925 equals to x into 5. 5, 1 times 5, 42, 8 times 40 and 25, 5 times 185. Option A is our answer. Next, fourth question. Here we have 2401. 2401 is nothing but 49 into 49 divided by 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7. So 77 and 149 cancels. Here we have 49 power 6 means 7 power square whole power 6. 2 6 times 12 equals to 7 power 2x plus 9. Here we have this 7 and 1 7 cancels. So we left with 49, which is 7 square into 7 power 11 equals to 7 power 2x plus 9. So we have 2x plus 9 equals to 11 plus 2 13. So x value is 9 comes this side with minus, we left with 4, 4 divided by 2 2. So x value is 2. Option E is our answer. Next, fifth question. Here 18 into root x, this is minus 220 square, which comes this side with plus. Here it is 32 into 100. 32 into 100 means this is under root, means we get 10. 32 into 10 will be 320. 320 plus 20 square, which is 400. So we get a 720 from here. 18 40 times root x is equals to 40, means x value, which is nothing but 40 square, which is 1600. So answer is 1600. Option C is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. First equation, here we see 72 and we need to get 17. 9 8 times and the sum of these two we get 17. Plus and plus, so the roots are in negative. Here 32, we need to get 4 12. 8 4 times is 32 and we get 12 by adding those two. Plus and plus means minus and minus are the signs for our roots. Bases are equal, so we comparing these two. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y, lesser than or equals to y. Okay. Next, second question. Here 170. 170 means 17 10 times is 170 and we got 27 by adding these two. And minus and plus means the sign of both the roots are in positive. Here 195. 195 means 13 15 times is 195. By adding these two we get 28. Minus and plus means the sign of roots are in positive. The bases are 1, so we are comparing these two. By comparing these two, it is clear that this 13 and 15 comes in between these two, means x greater than y and x lesser than y comes here, so there is no relation between these two equations. Now we are going to see question 3. Here we have x square plus 8 plus 4 12x plus 8 4 times 32 minus 16x equals to 64. means x square minus 4x plus 32 minus 64 means minus 32 equals to 0. And this is y value. Here for x the roots are 82 and we need to get 4 means 8 4 times. By subtracting these two we get 4. Okay, minus and minus means plus and minus all the roots. Here we need to get 36. 9 4 times is 36. Plus and plus means the roots are in negative sign. Now by comparing these two it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Okay, now we are going to see fourth question. Here it is 182. 182 and we need to get 1 means 14. 13 times is 182 and we get 1 while subtracting these two. Plus and minus means minus and plus are the signs of the roots. Here we have 224. We need to get 30. 16. 14 times is 224 and sum of these two we get 30. Minus and plus means both the signs of the roots are in positive. Bases are 1, so we are comparing these two. It is clear that x is lesser than y. Next, fifth one, 4. We need to get 4. So 4 and 1 for 1 times is 4 and sum of these two we get 5. Plus and plus means the signs of the roots are in negative. Here we have 30. 30 means 6 5 times. Sum of these two roots we get 11. Okay, plus and plus means minus and minus are the roots. Now comparing these two, here the bases are equal. Now we are comparing. By comparing these two we get x is greater than y. Okay, now it's time for the wrong number series. First question, let's see the difference between these two. We have difference of 12. Here the difference of 17. Here the difference is 31 plus 6 which will be 37. Here the difference is 64 and here the difference is 100. We don't see any pattern. Let's see double differences. Here the difference is 36. Here the difference is 27. Here the difference is 20. These are 9 factors. Let's take this as 18. If it is 18, it must be the wrong one. The next one must be 9. So it must be the wrong one. In between these two, it is our wrong number. Here the difference between these two are 18 means it must be 19. And difference between these two is 9 means it must be 10. 40 plus 10 will be 50. 50 plus 19 will be 69. So 52 is our wrong number. Next, here we see the differences first. Here the difference is 6. Here the difference is 4 plus 4 8. Here the difference is 16. Here the difference is 14. Here the difference is 26. Let's see double difference. Here the difference 2. Let's take double difference of 4. We place minus 12 here. And double of this one 8. No, even numbers 6. 12 plus 6 which will be 18. Minus 18. Minus 18 minus 8 we get to minus 26. So these are wrong numbers. So our wrong number is this one. Okay, now we are going to see question number 3. Question number 3, here the difference is 8. Here the difference is 16. Here the difference is 24. Here the difference is 32. Here the difference is 3 and 4, 43. Here the difference is 5. This will be 7. 7 minus 3, 4, 45. These are 8 factors, but these two are not. So our wrong number is this one. Okay, next, fourth question. Here we see it is into 2 times plus 1 time. It is into 3 times plus 2. This is into 4 times, which will be 636, 4 2 times 8 and 3 11 116 plus 2, but it must be plus 3. Here 1, here 2, it must be 3. It must be 3 means the answer must be 119. 119 into 5 times, 5 times 45, 5 at the unit digit and plus 4, we get a 9 unit digit. So this is our wrong number. Next, fifth question. Here we see the difference between these two is 100 minus 100. Here the difference between these two is minus 120. Here the difference between these two, this is plus and this is minus. Here the difference is 143. Here the difference between these two is 169. Here the difference between these two is 196. These are square numbers, but these two are not square numbers. This is 10 square, this is 13 square, this is 14 square. So it must be 11 square and 12 square. So these two are wrong numbers, means this is our wrong number. Okay. Now we are going to see missing number series. Missing number series, first question. Here the difference is 5, 7, and this is 11, 13. So prime numbers. So here the difference must be 3. So the value is 15. So answer is option D, 15. Next, second question. Here it is into 2 times, into 3 times. This must be into 4 times. 4 times 16 and 32, 192. Okay, it is into 5 times. It must be into 6 times. 6 times is 36. 54 plus 3, 57. 5760 is our answer, option A. Next, third question. Here the difference is minus 100 plus 150. We don't know here, and here the difference is minus 300. So 150 means minus 200 and plus 250. Minus 200 means 250. 250 plus 250, we get 500. So answer is 250. Option E is our answer. Next, fourth question. Here the difference, it is into 2 times, it is into 8 times, wait 4 times, it is, no, it is not the sequence. So first addition of 2 and into 4, next addition of 8, next one is into 16. 16 4 times is 64 and 16 2 times 32 and 6 38. So the next one must be plus 32. So we get a 61416 is our answer. Option E is our answer. Next, fifth question. Here we see there is plus 400, here plus 50 plus 25. 25 becomes 50. The next one must be 100. 100 becomes 200. 200 becomes 400. So 1400 plus 200, which will be 1600. 1600 plus 100, 700. So answer will be option A, 1600. Now we are going to see inequalities. For inequalities, the concept we use are the flow method. If we see a symbol like this, we always say the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. Okay, let's see and understand through the questions directly. The flow from E to H, from E we can reach to Y or else F, but cannot able to reach to H is possible. So first conclusion will be false. First conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from S to Y with everywhere equals to. From S we can reach to G, from G we can reach to F. Here is equals to and here is also equal to, here is equal to and we reach to Y, but there is missing of equal to here. So second conclusion is also false. Now question number 2. The flow from V to T with everywhere equals to. From V we can reach to W and X. From X we can reach to T. Here is equal to, here is equal to, here is also equal to, here is also equal to. So the first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from Z to S. From Z we can reach to only Y but cannot able to reach to S. So second conclusion will be false. Third question, the flow from B to I with everywhere equals to. From B we can reach to C, D. From D we can reach to I. Here is equal to, here is also equal to, here also equal to, equal to. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from N to H. From N we can reach only to M but cannot able to reach to H. So second conclusion will be false. Fourth question, the flow from V to U with everywhere equals to. From V there is no flow. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from E to T. From E there we can reach to Y but we cannot able to reach to T. So second conclusion will be false. Let's see fifth question. The flow from W to U. From W we can able to reach to U. It is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from S to V. From S we can reach to T U but we cannot able to reach to U. So second conclusion will be false. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question. Only a few bands are buff. Only a few bands are buff. No buff is fast. Only fast is grow. So grow is inside fast and doesn't share with anything except fast. Now let's see the conclusions. All fast are band is a possibility. All fast can be placed inside band. It is possible. No, it is not possible because of this glow. Glow shares only with the F. So all F cannot be placed inside bands. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, no buff is a glow. Means some glow, some buffer can be glow. We check some buffer can be glow. Some part of buffer can share with the glow. It is not possible because glow doesn't share with anything. So some case fails. Some case fails means no case will be true. Next, second question. All lands are palm. All lands are palm. Some palms are not a man. Some parts are not main. Only few mains are paid. Paid. Let's see conclusions. Some a few mains are a land is a possibility. Means some mains are a land is a possibility. Some part of mains can share with the land as it is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, some paid is not a palm. Here we see not. So we check all paid can be palm. All paid can be placed inside palm. It is possible. All case possible means some not case will be false. Next, third question. No pack is a look. Only a few pack are jail. Some jail are hide. Let's see conclusions. All jail can never be look. Here we see never. So we check all jail can be look. All jail can be placed inside look. It is not possible. All case fails means all never case will be true. So first conclusion is true. Some hides are pack is a possibility. Some part of hides can share with the pack. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible to draw a diagram of sharing a H with a P. So second conclusion is true. Now going to see question number 4. Question number 4. Only a king is lost. So lost is inside a king and doesn't share with anything except a king. Few kings are nets. Only a few nets are rain. Let's see conclusions. Some nets are not king. So we check here we see not here. So we check all net can be king. All net can be placed inside king. Yes, it is possible. All case possible means some not case will be false. First conclusion will be false. All rains are lost is a possibility. All rains can be placed inside lost. No, it is not possible because the lost only share with the king. So this case fails. Second conclusion will be false. Now we are going to see question number 3. Question number 5. Only a few meals are cup. Only a few meals are camp. No camp is lion. Only a few lions are nose. Now conclusions are some meals are not nose. We see not here. So we check all meals can be nose. All meals can be placed inside nose. It is possible. All case possible means some not case will be false. All meals are nose. All meals can be, all meals are inside nose. No. So second conclusion is also false. Here meals and nose are same. Suffixes and prefixes are same, and this is positive statement. This is negative statement. So the answer for this one is either 1 or 2. Okay. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. Let's get started. See, 6% paid the EMIs completely in 6 different months. Months are April, May, June, July, August, and September. Let's note them. April, May, June, July, August, and September. So in April we have 31 days. April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30 days. Let's see the questions. O, let's see the statements. O paid in the month having 31 days. So O pay either here, here, or else here. Next, 3 persons paid between O and Q. 1, 2, 3. This is the place for Q. 1, 2, 3. We cannot place. 1, 2. No, we cannot able to place in this case. 1, 2, 3. This is the place for Q. Okay. Next, as many persons paid after Q is same as before R. So after Q before R means this one. After Q before R means this one. Next, 2 persons paid between R and P. 1, 2. This is P. 1, 2. This is P. Okay. P paid immediately before S. P paid immediately before S means this is the place for S. Next, N did not pay in a month having even number of days. So we only left with the N, and the statement says that N did not pay in the month having even number of days. So N must not be in even number of days month. So this case fails. So we left with only this case, and this is the solution of our puzzle. Let's see the questions that are asked. Who among the following person paid the EMIs in July? In July, yes, paid the EMIs. D. Answer is option D. Next, how many persons did their EMI between N and P? N and P, no one. So answer is option C. Next, third one, 4 of the 5 are alike. Let's see. Q and N are immediate persons. P and S are immediate persons. R and S are not immediate persons. So option C is our answer. Wait a second. O and Q are also not immediate persons. So this is not the process immediate persons. So let's see what is the combination between them. Q and N. Q and N opposite number of 30 days and 31 days. Next one, P and S. P has 30 and S has 31. Next, R and S. R and S 30 and 31. Next, O and Q. O is here, Q is here. 30 and 31. Next, S and O. S and O both has 31 days. So option E is our answer. Option E. So this is option E is the answer for this one. Next, we are going to see question number 4. which of the following month Q paid EMI? Q paid on April month. So option A is our answer. Next, which of the following statement is true? P paid in a month having 31 days. P 31 no. S paid 2 months before other. Yes. So option B is our answer. So by this we have completed today's daily score booster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.